G'day everyone, Ali here. Well, recently I purchased some embossing folders from KaiserCraft and I just wanted to show you how I organise my embossing folders. So I do have them in a box on my desk. Okay, so this is my embossing folders here. They have all been allocated a number. Okay, and I do have a ring of samples here. So as you can see, this is D1. Okay, it does the embossing or debossing, so you'll be able to see what you've got. And I do find that this gives me some inspiration as well. So with these new embossing folders, I did just want to come on and just show you how I do organise my embossing folders. So these ones here, I did have some old manila folders which I wasn't using, and I decided to use those to organise my embossing folders. I have run out of the manila folders, so I'm just going to use them on just cream cardstock now. So I'm just going to open these up. Now first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to allocate a number to these. So I am up to 48 is my last one, so that's the number that I've given it. So, and I do have just a roll of stickers here, which I'm just going to cut some off. Okay, so this is going to be 49 and 50. Just going to put that on my folder first. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to give these numbers 49, 50. Okay, and just pop them in. This enables me also just to have a bit of a play with my new embossing folders. So just put that aside. Now today I am going to use my KaiserCraft die cutting machine, and I will show you the sandwich that I use for this. Now if you don't have a KaiserCraft, these embossing folders do work in any machine, but just check your machine for the sandwich type. Okay, so because all machines can be a little bit different. So with the KaiserCraft, you will need a base plate. You'll need a plate B. So pop that in. I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to use another plate B. Now this is a little bit warped, this one, but it will do just fine. Okay, so we'll just pop that in. I'll just run that through. Okay, now before I do release the paper, I just pick up just the end just to make sure that it has embossed properly, because if it hasn't, you can just run it through again, or you might need to use a metal adapter. Okay, but this has gone through perfectly, so that's my dog paw prints. Okay, we'll do the alphabet one. This is really, really nice, this one. I do like this. So I'll just pop that through. Okay, once again, I'm just going to have a bit of a peek. Yep, that's right. And there you go. So I'll just move that aside. So that's my embossing folders done with. I'm just going to put these now onto my ring. Okay, so, and all I do with this, because I do want the punch to be in the same sort of area, I'm just going to punch, just get the last card out. And this is just a normal paper punch here. And just paper punch. Stick them on. There you go, and there's my sample. So I do have these at my desk as well, and I do use these for inspiration. So I find this really a good help. Okay, so I hope it's given you some tips on how to organise embossing folders. If it has, please give me your thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do, don't forget that notification bell for new up and coming videos. And until next time, happy crafting. See ya!